All right, what's going on YouTube? Cha Brothers Loft here. I'm actually telling you a story first. I went to my loft, check on the birds, and one of the cocks in the cock section actually is pretty much fully molted. He finished his molt from the breeding season, and I caught him, handled him. The dude is phenomenal. I mean, I was like, wow, I forgot he handled like that. So, he's in there somewhere. I will go find him in a bit here. But, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys who he is. He is my very first import bird ever. And I mean ever. I have never had an import bird ever. So, show you guys what's up. I'm gonna catch him, and then yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little show and tell. Florian One. My very first import cock, or import bird in general. Very nice bird. He has 11 flights on both sides of the wings. This is a grandson of Harry. His sire bred a provincial winner, and the dam bred Florian's Pattaya winner a few years ago. So this is a half brother to winners already. Look at that tail. The back of the tail is beautiful. Nice one pin, nice back. Very beautiful pearl eyes. I mated him to a hen I call Bulldozer's Beauty this year. I sent a lot of the kids out to the One Lofts and to the fraternity race here in Minnesota. Very nice pearl eyes. Yeah, I mean, great bird overall. Very beautiful. So you can see here. Import Netherlands, 2015, 113, 1111. So I call him Florian One. Florian Hendricks bred this bird. Want to thank my buddy who I bought this cock from, Marvin. Shout out to you. Thank you. Very beautiful bird. Very beautiful bird. One more time. That's him right there. That's him right there. Right there. That blue bar. Beautiful bird. Let me know in the comments below. Tell me about your story. Tell me about your first import bird. That's him. You can see right there. Yeah, just comment below. I want to know, like, who was your first import bird? Where is it down from? And how did it do? Comment below. I want to see. I want to hear your experiences. This is my first time, breeding from an import bird. And, I am blessed to have a grandson of Harry that's breeding here at Cha Brothers Loft. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll do more fun things. Hey, next video. You know what? I got an idea. Next video. What was your first GFL bird? Gannets family loft bird. I want to see. I want you guys to post that as well. That will be in my next video. I do have one Gannets bird, my very first and only Gannets bird at the moment. He's a cockatoo. He's in there somewhere. But yeah, let's see. Stay tuned. I'll post up my very first Gannets bird later on as well. All right, guys. Signing off. Thanks for watching. Cha Brothers Loft.